I want to talk about PPMs, which stands for Planned Preventative Maintenance. There's different types of maintenance that can be applied to a building. So first of all, let's not do any maintenance and let's let systems fail and then repair, which is like a reactive approach. There's the PPM approach, which is what I'm talking about now, which is where we planned to provide preventive maintenance on systems, pumps, motors, etc. And we plan to do maintenance on those systems to avoid them failing in the future. And there's condition-based monitoring, where we monitor the condition of the systems in place and we predict when they're going to fail. For me, really, simplistically, let's focus on PPM. Now, a good, well-maintained building will actually secure you 15% savings. Now, the reason why I say that is because a non-maintained building would actually be losing you in the region of 15% of your energy. And that would be because the building could be suffering from leaks, the plant can be overcompensating, we could have various problems. So 2 pieces of equipment could be running because it's seeing faults. So there's various different problems that could be arising there. In addition to that, the organisation could be putting all the equipment on hand because of the system not actually operating correctly. So for instance, if there's no PPM carried out on the actual BMS, then it's quite likely that BMS time zones are not set up correctly, the times aren't set up correctly, therefore everything has been put into hand to compensate for that. So by focusing on a good planned preventative maintenance program will actually secure you significant savings and maintain those savings going forward. To assist us with a good PPM program, what I suggest you also do is carry out a full asset register of all the equipment in your organisation that provides a good PPM program. And that way you are covered in every area regarding heating, cooling, lighting and power. Thank you for watching this video and thank you for following the Toolbox tips. If you're not following Toolbox tips now, please subscribe below. There is a link. We're more than happy to hear your comments and we'd like you to give us some more direction. What do you want to know more about regarding energy and energy management? Do not miss any of these Toolbox tips to help you manage your third largest expense. My name is Paul Webb, and please be safe in these times, you and your family.